Your hair is like a garden. Just like a garden, your scalp provides the necessary nutrients and environment for healthy hair growth. And just like a garden, it requires proper care and maintenance to thrive. A healthy scalp is essential for strong, voluminous hair. It's the foundation upon which healthy hair grows. Just like a garden, your scalp needs to be nourished and cared for to provide optimal growing condition. One way to care for your scalp is by using natural oils, such as olive oil, sunflower seed oil, and jojoba oil. These oils provide the necessary moisture and nutrients to keep your scalp healthy and happy. Massaging your scalp is another way to promote scalp health. Massaging helps to increase blood flow, which in turn helps to nourish hair follicles and stimulate hair growth. Using natural hair care products is also important for maintaining a healthy scalp. Shampoos and conditioners filled with synthetic chemicals will strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Natural hair care products, like Morocco methods, are gentle and nourishing, helping to keep your hair and scalp healthy. And just like a garden needs proper nutrition to grow, your hair and scalp need proper nutrition too. Eating a healthy diet that's rich in vitamins and minerals can help to nourish your hair from the inside out. So remember, your hair is a garden. With proper care and maintenance, you can cultivate strong, healthy locks that will make you feel confident and beautiful.